Neville Goddard was a renowned self-help author and motivational speaker who espoused the belief that imagination is the key to manifesting one's dreams and desires. He often repeated the phrase, "Imagine it as if it has already happened," as a way to bring one's goals closer to reality. However, even with this powerful tool, there are still times when a goal seems unattainable and frustration sets in. It's in these moments that Goddard's message of perseverance comes into play. According to Goddard, the feeling of a goal being just out of reach is actually a sign that we're close to manifesting it. The universe is conspiring in our favor, and all we have to do is keep pushing forward. In other words, don't give up. The moment of manifestation is just around the corner. Goddard's teachings remind us that success is a journey and not a destination. The road to realizing our dreams is not always easy, but if we keep our focus and maintain a positive attitude, we will eventually reach our goal. So, when you're feeling discouraged and ready to throw in the towel, remember that you're so close. Don't you dare give up. Keep imagining your goal as if it has already happened and watch as the universe conspires to make it a reality. Staying positive and motivated can be difficult when faced with obstacles or setbacks in our journey towards our goals. It's easy to get discouraged and lose sight of our aspirations, but it's important to remember that these challenges are not roadblocks, but rather opportunities for growth and learning. This is where Neville Goddard's message of perseverance becomes even more important. Goddard reminds us that even when it feels like our goal is just out of reach, we must stay focused and keep pushing forward. The manifestation of our desires is within reach, but it requires a little bit of perseverance and determination. This means not giving up, even when things get tough. Instead, embrace the challenges and use them to grow and become stronger. It's also crucial to believe in yourself and your abilities. Your thoughts and beliefs have a powerful impact on your life, and if you can maintain a positive attitude and belief in your abilities, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. So, if you're feeling discouraged or frustrated because you feel like you're not making progress towards your goals, remember that you are so close. Don't you dare give up. Keep working hard, stay focused, and believe in yourself. The manifestation of your goals is within reach, and with a little bit of perseverance and determination, you can make it happen. Neville Goddard was a firm believer in the power of the mind and the role it plays in shaping our reality. He emphasized that our thoughts and beliefs have the ability to bring our dreams into being, and that's the key to manifesting our desires. This message of perseverance and determination has helped countless individuals achieve their goals, despite the obstacles and setbacks that may arise along the way. When faced with feelings of being stuck or unable to move forward, Goddard's advice was to take a moment to refocus and remind yourself of why you started on this journey in the first place. Revisit your goals and the reasons behind them, and let that fuel your determination to keep moving forward. This exercise can help reignite your passion and provide the motivation needed to overcome any challenges that may be standing in your way. It's also important to recognize and celebrate the progress you've already made. This can serve as a source of inspiration and a reminder that you are capable of achieving your goals. So, if you're feeling discouraged or like you're not making progress, take a moment to reflect on all that you've accomplished so far. This will give you the confidence and motivation you need to keep pushing forward and bring your dreams into reality. Neville Goddard's message of never giving up on your dreams is a powerful one. By focusing on your goals, maintaining a positive attitude, and recognizing your progress, you can manifest your desires and bring your dreams into being. The principles of manifestation and visualization can be a powerful tool in bringing your goals and desires to life. One exercise that Goddard suggests is called "The Feeling is the Secret." This involves taking a few minutes to sit in a comfortable place, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. Next, bring to mind a specific desire or a goal that you have. Visualize the details of this goal as vividly as possible and imagine that it has already been fulfilled. Goddard believed that by fully immersing yourself in the feelings and emotions of already having your desire, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are ready and deserving of receiving it. This visualization exercise can help you tap into the power of your subconscious mind and align your thoughts and emotions with your goals and desires. It's important to practice this exercise regularly with dedication, as the power of visualization and manifestation grows stronger with repetition. And when faced with discouragement or frustration, remind yourself that you are so close to manifesting your wishes and dreams. Keep pushing forward and believing in yourself, and with a little bit of hard work and determination, you can make your dreams a reality. So, don't give up. Embrace the power of visualization and manifestation, and bring your desires to life. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to, and with practice, you can harness the power of the universe to make your dreams a reality. We hope this video has been helpful and inspiring, and we can't wait to see the amazing things you'll manifest in your life. Thank you for watching.